Welcome to this quick video where I'm going to show you the best VPN for Windows 10 and Windows 11. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, the best free VPN that I've found is ProtonVPN, and it's my go-to application for using a free VPN. And I'm going to show you how to download and install it. And you could just do a Google search for ProtonVPN free. And then the best result should be the ProtonVPN webpage, which will take you directly to the free VPN download page. If you go ahead and click on that, on this next page, you should get this button that says Get ProtonVPN Free. They'll try to sell you the paid version, but you can just scroll down and click on Continue with Free. Now next, you'll need to create a free account with ProtonVPN, and first you'll need to enter your email address. Then you can click on Start using ProtonVPN. They'll create a free account for you, and then they'll also give you a password, and you can click on Continue with this password if you want to use that password, or you can choose your own. I'm just going to click on Choose My Own Password and then create a quick password here. Once you've created your password, just click on Set New Password, and then your free account will be created, and you should get this button that says Download ProtonVPN. You can just click on Download, and then you'll be taken to this new page where you can click on Download ProtonVPN. You'll be prompted where you want to save it. Just click on Save. I'm going to save it to my Downloads folder. Now, if you didn't get the pop-up to download the ProtonVPN, once you're in this accounts page, just click on the Downloads page here, and then you should get this option if you scroll down to download it for Windows, and you can just click on Download to download it. But mine's already downloaded, so I'm just going to click on the Downloads tab here, and then click on this folder to show it in the Downloads folder. Then to install it, you just want to double click on this application. I'll leave the language on English and then just click on OK. I'll leave this on default and then click on Next. I'll leave the option to create a desktop shortcut selected, but I'm not going to install Proton Drive. I'll just deselect that, then click on Next and then click on Install. Once it's finished, it will automatically launch on your computer, and then you'll need to enter your username and password. So your username will be the email address that you use to sign up, and then you'll need to enter the password. And once you've entered that, you'll also have this option that says Start and Connect on boot, which means every time you boot up your computer, it'll automatically launch ProtonVPN and connect to the closest server. For this tutorial, I'm just going to deselect that and then click on Sign In. And then once you're signed in, you should get this option to take a tour of ProtonVPN. And we can click on Take a Tour to do that quickly. And if we open that up, you have the Quick Connect option here, where if you click on that, it's going to connect to the closest available free server. For me, it's Romania right now. You can click on Next Step, where you can create some profiles for yourself so you can save your settings and servers that you use on a regular basis. And you can also choose which countries you want to use here by doing a search, or you can just scroll down on this list. But again, not all of these servers will be available in the free version of ProtonVPN. You'll need to get the paid version if you want to access every single available location. For the last tip, you also have some other advanced options here like Secure Core, NetShield, and Kill Switch. But I'm just going to end this tour. And basically, if you want to change server, you can just click on Change Server. And again, it's going to connect to another free server. And unfortunately, like I said before, you can't go ahead and just choose any server you like. You are limited to the free servers. And if you change server too many times, you are going to get a cooldown for changing servers. But if you just want to be anonymous on the internet and you don't want to pay anything, this is one of the best free options available, as they don't have any data cap limits at the time of recording this video. But if you try out ProtonVPN and you find that you like it and you want to upgrade to the paid version or the pro version, I'm going to leave my affiliate link down in the description of this video, and it would help me out a lot if you use that link to sign up for your paid version of ProtonVPN. And if you got any value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys soon.